Okay, this is the Parrot drone order on eBay. So here is the box as it arrived to me. It was sold on eBay by the seller mahes.nandy. So here we go. Box is right there. I'm pretty excited to open this one. It was sold as new in box, brand new, unused, never pulled out of the box, so it should be in brand new condition. We are December 25, Christmas Day. Let's open the drone right now. So from eBay, here we go. Super excited by this new gear. There we go. So, opening the box, we have the box of the drone itself. It's a little bit loose in this cardboard box. There was no other protection, just the box as is. Hopefully nothing is damaged. The box itself have some damages here, as you can see. But let's see. Alright, let's see to remove this. Alright, so up on the side, here we go. The Parrot Pro Thermal drone, it's here. The box is a bit damaged, but let's see about the drone. How about that? The drone is not new in box. The seal right there have been open. They've been cut. So already first sign that this drone is not sale as described. It's not new in box. Start to be not happy right now, but hopefully the rest is fine. Still was supposed to be new. All right, opening the box, see what's inside. The bag is there. From the unboxing video I saw on YouTube, it's supposed to be a plastic around this bag. I don't see the plastic, so already another sign that this item is not new like it was described. At least the bag seems to be not broken. Anything else in the box? Yes, here we go. Here is a plastic that's supposed to be wrapped around this bag right here, but it's not. So another sign that this product have been opened. The plastic bag is not around the original bag like I can see in other unboxing video on YouTube. Let's check the drone itself. I have a bad feeling about that. Let's see. All right. Oh, wow. Well, props has like things are flying everywhere. The charger are loose. They should be in this located here, but they were loose. Props is loose. Props, and this I suppose is the thing that goes front of the camera, but it's not in place to protect the camera. So the drone have obviously been used before. This thing is not put back in place. Oh, this battery, this is bad. Oh, this is bad. This battery should be put in the drone, in place in the drone already for transportation. And as you see, the protection for the battery is even like loose. That means this contactor could have touched something in the bag during transportation and could have caused fire. Glad that it didn't, so I have to put that back here. But this battery should be put in the drone from factory, not like loose like that. Oh, look at that. One of the prop is badly damaged there. It have been hit probably by the loose battery. So I need to remove it here. I'm going to move in the drone, show you correctly this damaged prop right there. Not good at all. So, oh, look at that. This drone have been flew already. It has some impact. I can see some impact here, like a stone impact over here. I don't know if you can see, like little tiny impacts, like gravel or something when the drone flies. So yeah, well, I'm not getting something new, that's for sure. Look at that, there's a trace of finger over there. I didn't touch that yet, and it's like damage here a bit, and some fingerprint over there. It has definitely been used before, and it's not new. So unfortunately, this have to go back. Very disappointed. I was looking for it, because I was looking forward for it, and again, it's December 25, Christmas Day. Wasted because of that. Again, trust seller on eBay that list new item and you arrive open and used. Not good. Return to sender, money back. Here we go. That was the sad unboxing of the new Parrot Thermal drone from eBay. Again, this eBay seller that you can see on the screen again right now, that promised new inbox, and it wasn't.